recording.
Hi! I'm Chicken George. I'm at the world's largest, the biggest, the one and only Mecum car auction. Hey, and guess what I'm about ready to do? The Dodge Thrill Ride Experience! What am I getting into, young man?
Getting into a nice new little Dodge Viper here.
I'm into a Dodge Viper. Look at the color. Keep in mind, everybody, you can come to Mecum, Indy, and you can also ride in the Dodge Thrill Ride Experience. That's about what I'm ready to do. All right, here we go. All right, Dodge man, are you ready for me, Dodge man?
Ready, man, let's go.
Okay, we're ready. What's my intro here? What do I got to do?
Don't fall.
Don't fall. Okay. All right, here we go. Here we go.
They normally say leg, butt, leg. There
Here
you
we
go.
go.
Perfect.
Here we go. Why do I need a seatbelt?
I'd say
Just so the little dinging noise stops going on. That's it. Other than that, you're in good
All right,
hands, so.
here we go. I'm just getting ready to do the Dodge Thrill Ride Experience. Hit it, my man.
Where you from, George?
Here we go. I'm from Rockford, Illinois. Whoa, whoa. Hey, I only drive 65 miles an hour.
I'm going to have to lose these.
Oh,
if I can
sorry.
see you.
Sorry about
I'll be
that.
getting a lot of cars.
Whoa. Whoa.
You're in good
Whoa.
hands. We're all right.
Oh, my
Now
gosh.
you can see our little playground over here.
Oh.
You ready?
Oh, yeah, okay, hit it! I lost my tooth!
How was that?
Oh, hang on, let me put my tooth back in.
Fun ride?
Oh my gosh. Everybody, you've got to come to Mecum, Indy and Dodge do the Dodge Thrill Ride Experience. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Worth getting into?
Oh, I'm done for the day. Oh, and I cannot thank Dodge enough for letting me experience this.
That's weird. Just letting you know, too, you're in good hands. I used to race Indy cars.
Hey,
So
you
you're
did,
all right.
you did a great job. Oh, yeah, right. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, everybody, you've got to come and do the Dodge Thrill Ride Experience at Mecum Auctions, Indy. I had a great time. Thank you very much. Yeah. Oh, I lost my tooth doing it.